Are you tired of a cluttered Gmail inbox? Today, I'm going to show you how to show or hide inbox tabs and categories so you can keep your email organized and distraction-free. This quick guide works with the latest Gmail 2025 interface, and it's easier than you think. First, open Gmail in your browser. In the upper right corner, you'll see the gear icon. Click on it. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access Gmail's main settings page. Here, you'll find several tabs across the top. Click on Labels. In the Labels section, you'll see all your Gmail categories, like Primary, Social, Promotions, and more. Each category has an option to show or hide. To declutter your inbox, just hit Hide for the categories you don't need right away. Want them back? Click Show anytime. It's that simple. This feature doesn't delete your emails, it just hides the tabs from view. You can still access all messages through search or by showing the tab again. While you're in the Labels section, you can also create new labels and customize how emails are organized, giving you even more control over your inbox. With these simple steps, your Gmail inbox becomes cleaner, more efficient, and easier to navigate. Give it a try and see how much more focused your email experience can be. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.